This is the day the Lord has made. Let's give God all the praise as He's given us a new day. Welcome to New Shiloh Missionary Baptist Church. If you're new to NSMBC, we're sure that you will be richly blessed by today's service. Here is your New Shiloh news. Good morning. Today is Sunday, October 4th, 2020. Welcome to our stay-at-home edition of your New Shiloh news. Please keep Brother Nathaniel Ivory lifted in prayer and encouragement in the loss of his sister-in-law, Willie Mae Cooper, and the grandchildren, Jador and Jacaven Miles, of Sister Charlie Mae Miles in the loss of their mother, Sally Aponte, and all their families. Their homegoing services have been held. Please keep Deacon Daniel Norman and his family lifted in prayer and encouragement in the loss of his sister, Jenny Norman. Her homegoing service will be held tomorrow, October 5th, in Esther, Georgia. Please keep Sister Dora McGregor and her family lifted up in prayer and encouragement in the loss of her nephew, Reverend Arthur Huff. His homegoing service will be held this Wednesday, October 7th, at the McWhite Funeral Home in Fort Lauderdale. The service is limited to family members only. This week at NSMBC, it is very important that everyone fill out the 2020 census. You can choose to do so online or by phone or by mail. The census helps shape many different aspects of our community. Everyone is counted. Please make sure your households are counted. The deadline has been extended until tomorrow, October 5th. For more information, visit www.2020census.gov. Please remember, the registration deadlines for the general election is tomorrow, October 5th, 2020. Get out and register to vote. NSMBC, please remember all services, meetings, rehearsals, and Bible studies have been postponed from the church building until further notice. Please remember to join us at 12 noon for noonday prayer and community Bible study. This Saturday, 9 a.m. to 12 noon, during our drive-through giving, we are asking each member that is able to bring 3 unexpired canned foods. No paper, plastic, or glass containers. You can bring fruits, juices, meats, vegetables to donate to our Hope Relief Food Bank project. Join Pastor Powell for A Moment in the Word on the 1490 AM WMBM app at 7 a.m. for a pre-recorded message. Also at 10 a.m. simultaneously on YouTube at NSN News Miami, Facebook Live, and the prayer line for our live worship service this and every Sunday. Please pay attention to our access numbers. Prayer line 712-775-7035, access code 497-576#. Prayer line playback 712-775-7039, access code 497-576#. You can pay your tithes and give your offerings the following ways. Text to give. Text NSMBC to 1-888-364-4483 or our website at www.nsmbc.net. Mail your tithes and offerings to the church at 1350 Northwest 95th Street, Miami, Florida 33147. Bring it to the church on Saturdays between 9 a.m. and 12 noon or directly from your bank account through the Zelle app. Send it to newshiloh@nsmbc.net. Attention all members. In 2020, Pastor Powell is asking all members and friends of New Shiloh to join us once again as we read through the Bible this year. You can use any version of the Bible as well as audio Bible. This exploration is sure to increase your knowledge of God's Word and your spiritual walk with God. The month of October will cover scriptures for October 5th through November 1st, 2020. You can access the scriptures each week on our website. NSMBC 52-Week Savings Challenge of 2020. In 2020, Pastor Powell is asking all members and friends of NSMBC to join us once again as we challenge ourselves with our NSMBC 52-Week Savings Challenge of 2020. The month of October will cover weeks 40 through 43. This is week 40. Your account balance should be $1,554. Remember, we are trusting God more in 2020. Upcoming events. The New Shiloh family will be celebrating our under-shepherd, Pastor D.L. Powell's 18th pastoral anniversary at NSMBC and 37 years of pastoral ministry next Sunday, October 11th at 10 a.m. on Facebook Live, YouTube, and the prayer line. Please tune in and bless us with your presence. Important things to remember. In the celebration of our pastor's 18th pastoral anniversary, all NSMBC family members and friends are asked and encouraged to give a special love gift of at least $180 to show our pastor how much we appreciate him. Those who wish to do so may begin their installment giving of $18 per week for 10 weeks above their regular tithes and offering from now through this Sunday, October 4th. You can give through our drive-through giving or online. Also, if you're aware of anyone who is having difficulty calling into our prayer line or accessing our website or live Facebook broadcasts, please do your best to assist them. Please continue to call and check on others, including all of those on our healing and recovery list, as well as those in nursing homes or assisted living facilities. Remind them they are not alone or forgotten. Some COVID-19 resources. The following resources are available for those impacted by COVID-19. Use the link below for individuals in need of rental or mortgage assistance. Individuals 60 and over can get meals delivered by calling 311. No other qualifiers are needed except age. Utility assistance 1-833-554-4243. The Share Your Heart food drive at the following locations on Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 12 noon or until food is distributed. 1600 Northwest 3rd Avenue, 16405 Northwest 25th Avenue, 150 Northwest 79th Street. Eligibility and applying for TANF, SNAP, 1-800-955-8771. Remember to visit our website, www.nsmbc.net, and follow us on social media, Facebook at NSMBC, Instagram and Twitter at NSMBC_Miami for updates during this time. If you have an emergency, please call the church office. Our messages are checked daily. 305-835-8280. Extension 202, Sister Natalie Heaven. Extension 201, Sister Pashawn Washington. Extension 203, Sister Annie Johnson. This has been a special edition of your New Shiloh News. And until we meet again, have a blessed week. Stay safe, and remember, we are moving forward by faith, trusting God more in 2020.